Behind the science of the weather, King 5 is committed to covering the climate and the environment in our beautiful region. I had a chance to sit down with former and current environmental reporters. They explored the impact on nature, from our highest peaks
Snowpack isn't just about how deep the snow gets,
to the sewers under our feet, and coverage that would extend beyond Washington State, like when former reporter Gary Chittum was sent to the Gulf of Mexico to cover the Deepwater Horizon disaster.
That oil just pumped out of the bottom of the ocean unchecked for 30 days or more.
I'll give you an idea of just how persistent this stuff is.
And we went there and witnessed it for ourselves, how sticky that is and what it takes to get it off of wildlife.
Coverage that would impact the next generation. King 5's current environmental reporter, Erica Zuko.
I interviewed an ecologist who grew up watching that coverage and now was inspired to get involved with pollution cleanup. And they take a number of samples from different areas in each body of water.
Over 50 years of experience at this table has seen the impacts of climate change, from dwindling snowpack to larger wildfires, a growing threat that reporter Glenn Farley reported on firsthand.
20 years ago, if you used the word climate change, there were a lot of people who would just not accept that at all.
But always reporting on solutions.
this is the biggest test so far of the state's forest health plan. Can you treat a forest so it has a better chance of surviving wildfire?
We're seeing kind of the effects of us learning over time what the problems are and now being motivated to fix them. And so I think that the conversation has shifted a little bit.
And as our understanding of the science and technology evolves, it reveals new hope on the horizon.
I remember the first windmill story I did was a stagnant windmill head. That's all it was.
I can tell you, it is very windy up here and unpredictable.
And now those things are computerized to work together to adjust to the wind. The technology is getting better. The energy is getting better into that technology. A lot of smart people working on it.
Tomorrow, we will sit down with 3 founding members of our Facing Race department and talk about the early programs that helped inspire it. Snap the QR code you see on your screen to find extended coverage of our 75th anniversary stories on king5.com. And don't forget to watch our 1-hour 75th anniversary special on Thanksgiving night at 9:30 p.m.